Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to install the ezMaster. To install the ezMaster, you're going to need two things, the ezMaster file and the virtual machine of your choice. So once you have those two on hand, from your virtual machine, you have to import appliance and then find your OVA file. Once you have your OVA file, just import it and it's going to have some predefined settings. Just go ahead and import. Depending on your machine speed, it should take about 1 to 2 minutes max. So after loading it up, what you're going to do is click on the virtual machine and go to settings. We must make sure that we're selecting the proper network connection. Here, you would like to go under network and then navigate onto the adapter that you're using. For the VM or the ezMaster, we always recommend to use a wired connection for stability. Once you have the correct adapter selected, click OK to proceed. For this demo, I'm using a wireless connection. Once that has been set, you can start the VM and then let it run. It's gonna load like a CLI box, so just let it run. Wait for it to finish until you get to the login portion. The default login for the ezMaster is admin. Password is also password, all in lowercase. So the first thing you're gonna see once you log into the ezMaster is a confirmation of your time zone. This is based on the server's current time zone. If it's correct, just type yes. If it's not, you can type in no and then select the correct time zone. And then key in an IP address for your ezMaster. So make sure this is different from your actual server's IP address. You have to set a specific free IP address available for the ezMaster. Key in your gateway and your DNS servers as well. Okay, once you have that complete, it's going to ask you to log in again. Log in using the same credentials. It's going to give you a summary of what IP settings you have placed. Once you have that, you can then proceed to open a browser and access your ezMaster through the IP address that you have just set. Keying in the IP address should bring you to the home screen of the ezMaster. If you got this screen, that means that you have your settings correct. To log in here, use the same credentials, admin for username and password for password, all in lowercase. The first thing is going to pop up on the first time that you log into your ezMaster is that it's going to require you to key in an email address. So set an email address for your ezMaster, make sure that it's valid, as this email address will be paired on the unique ezMaster ID that you have. So going on to settings, you can run a connectivity test to verify if all your IP settings are correct. If it can ping your gateway, verify the internet connection, verify the controller port, etc. So the controller port verifies if your ezMaster can communicate to the EasyReg server using UDP 1234. We use UDP 1234 for a management protocol. So if you got an error or if you haven't done port forwarding, it will show an error here on this port. For it to go green, all you need to do is do port forwarding on your gateway, router, or your firewall. The connectivity test is important, especially if you're managing remote access points. Moving on to the home screen, you have your summary here, your CPU usage, memory usage, and disk space usage. You can also verify the version of your ezMaster from here. To update your ezMaster to the latest version, head on to Settings, go to Update ezMaster, and then browse for the latest update file that you have. The latest version as of this moment is 0.13.8. Select the file, upload it, and upgrading the ezMaster should take about less than a minute. Once the upgrade process is complete, you can verify the version through the home screen. Just to make sure that you're not reading through cache and all the tabs would be available, you can just clear cache from your browser or just hit Ctrl F5. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.